Welcome back to Code Hive, the place where we make it work, make it right, and make it fast. So I am so excited for this video because I'm actually going to show you guys how to install the Oracle SQL developer so we can quickly just start with it, right? I am so excited. Like I said in the previous video, this is my favorite database to work with. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I just want to mention that there's two things that we'll be installing. First, we'll be installing the developer, and then the second thing that we'll be installing is the database. That way we'll be able to connect to the database. So the first thing that we're going to install is the Oracle developer. So you want to go to your Google or your Firefox and you're going to search for Oracle developer download. Okay, once you've searched that, you're going to see the first option that says SQL developer downloads, and you're going to click on that. Then depending on the platform that you use, whether it's Mac or Windows, you need to make sure that you download one that says with JDK 11 included, right? So because I'm using a Windows, I'm just going to go ahead and click download. Okay, so once you've selected download, then you will be redirected to this page. So if you have an Oracle account, then you're just going to sign in. If you don't have an Oracle account, you have to create an Oracle account. So because I already have an account, I just want to show you guys how the create account page looks. So you will get to this page, right? Once you get to this page, please make sure that you fill in the correct details because they will be sending you an email so that you are able to verify your account. So you're just going to enter everything. And if you're still a student, a job title, you can just say student, and by company name, you can just say where you are studying, okay? It doesn't have to be specific. Right? So I'm just letting you guys know in terms of that. Okay, and then you can just say create an account and they will send you a verification email, and you're just going to verify your email, and then you're going to come back to this page, right? Then once you on this page, you're just going to sign in. So I'm quickly just going to sign in. Okay, so once you sign in, then it will automatically start downloading. Okay, so you will wait for it to download. Okay, so it might take a few minutes to finish downloading. Okay, so once it's done downloading, you're just going to locate it, right? And what you're going to do now is you are going to just extract everything. Okay, so you're just going to extract. Can select location where you're going to extract and just give it some time to finish extracting. Okay, so once it's complete, it will just go to the extracted folder, and we're just going to select, and we're just going to leave it like this for now. Okay, then the second thing that we need to install, right? So you're going to go back to your Google, and now you are going to type the following. So you're going to say Oracle database 21C XE download. Okay, so now you're going to go to the first option right over here that says Oracle database Express Edition XE downloads. So you're just going to click over there, and again, depending on the platform that you're using, I'm using a Windows, so I'm just going to just download the first option over here. So I'm just going to select download, and it will start downloading over here. So just give it some time to finish downloading. So once it's done downloading, you're just going to locate it, and you're just going to extract everything. Okay, so you're just going to click extract, and you're just going to wait for it to finish extracting. Okay, so once it's done extracting, then it will take you to the location where it just extracted. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for this option over here that says setup.exe, right? And you're just going to double click on that. And it will ask you to allow this app to make changes to your device, and you're just going to select yes. Okay, then this pop-up will appear where it says preparing to install, and preparing to install. So you're just going to select next. You will say I accept the terms in the license agreement. Select next. Then you can choose to change the destination folder, or you can just select next. Okay, so now please be careful with this option. You are going to create a database password. So you need to remember this password because you will need it soon when we get to the stage where you have to insert this password. So just make sure that it's a password that you will remember. Okay, so you're just going to select, or well, create a password, right? And you're going to say next, and you're going to say install, and it will start installing. This will take some time, so please just give it time and be patient because it will take some time to finish installing. Okay, so finally, once it's done downloading, then it will say that the Oracle database installed successfully. So you're just going to say finish. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the SQL. So you're going to go back to where you downloaded your SQL developer and where you extracted the folder. Okay, so you will see all this. So you want to go to the part that says SQL developer.exe. So that's what you want to open, right? So you're just going to double click on that. Okay, so it will start to open, right? Okay, so once it's done downloading, this is where it will take you, right? So this is the welcome page of the Oracle SQL developer. So you're just going to give it a moment to just finish loading and to finish initializing, right? And once that is done, right, so what we need to do right now is we need to connect to a database, right? Because right now we're not connected to any database, so we cannot start doing anything, right? So in order to connect to a database, you're going to press down there and say new database connection. Then you should be able to land here. Okay, so let's call our database test DB, right? Because we just want to test if the database is working, right? So username, so we're gonna use system. Okay, then now for the password. So remember the password that we entered, and I told you to not forget. This is the password that you are going to insert right here. Okay, and now you will see this option over here to save your password. So you need to just tick that box over there. That way, every time you have to connect to a database, you don't have to put in your password. It will automatically save the password. Okay, and everything else is just fine. You just leave everything. So you just insert the name, then the username, which is system, and then the password that you created. And the next thing that we're going to do is to test the connection. Okay, so you test the connection and it says success. Okay, that means that it's connecting to the database. Then you're just going to say connect, and you'll see your database right over there. So I hope that you guys managed to install this successfully, and in the next video we'll be talking about how to create a table. So please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave comments in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching.